How to draw a flower in 3 different difficulties.
Alright, let's begin.
The materials you will need is a piece of paper, some markers, a pencil, and an eraser.
The first flower we will draw is a super easy flower. Start with a circle with the size of your choice. After, draw ovals around the circle as shown. Draw a dot at the bottom as a reference line. Draw a line from the flower connecting to the dot. Then, draw 2 curvy lines on the side of the line as shown. Now let's color.
The colors you will need are yellow, a light green, and black.
Here are the colors we chose, but you can choose any color of your choice.
An optional step for your flower is coloring the petals. In this case, we colored it pink, but you can color it with any color of your choice. Or you could just leave it white.
Here is the final result. Next, we will do the easy flower, a daisy. Start with a small circle in the middle of your paper. Then draw reference lines around the center to show how long each petal is as shown. After, draw thin ovals that end at the tip of the line. Finally, erase the reference lines. If you lose some of the petals, it's fine.
You can always redraw them after they are erased.
This part's optional. If you want, you can add a few smaller leaves on the sides. Now let's color.
The colors you will need are yellow, a light green, a dark green, and black. Here are the colors that we decided to choose, but you can choose any colors of your choice. Another color we also decided to add was gray because we wanted to add another pop of color. This color is optional, but it adds more dimension. Also, adding a black outline always helps define your shapes, so we recommend having one.
Here is the final result.
This level is the hardest. If you're a beginner, please use the other tutorials. Here are the steps to draw a rose. To start, draw 2 lines at the bottom of your paper for a stem. Then, draw a big U as shown. Make sure the top of the U is facing inwards. Now, draw a curved line on the left side. Then, draw a small C at the top of the curve and a long line going downwards, going to the middle of the rose. Then, draw a curved line on the right side. Now, draw a line going to the middle of the flower. Draw 2 lines next to the line going downwards. Now, draw a series of lines as shown. These lines act as the petals for your flower. To draw your leaves, draw two lines going upwards at the bottom left of the rose. Then draw two lines going to the right on the bottom right. You can also draw a small line on the bottom left as a leaf to add more variety.
Now let's color.
The colors you will need are black, dark green, light green, a red, and a darker red. Here are the colors that we chose, but you can choose any color that you like.
Here is the final result.
Thanks for drawing with us!